A very warm welcome to Tech Mining. In this video, you will create a setup that provides a list of all the different parts of the application. Just like a sitemap created for websites, it is displayed as a tree view of the application and is created to implement application security. There are three main components in the application to which you should apply security: menus, including the main and submenus, pages, and items, such as buttons. The fourth one, app, is called the root node and is used to distinguish between segments of multiple applications. First, create two static lists of values, LOVs, from scratch as performed. The values included in these LOVs will be utilized in the segment creation form to identify the type of segments and the roles performed by page items. After creating two static LOVs, create two pages for segments setup. On the first wizard page, select the Form option, followed by Report with Form. After both pages creation, modify the form page, page 20, to change the item labels, as performed in the video. The P20 segment parent item is being transformed into a pop-up LOV. It will display title and type columns from the segments table to allow the selection of a parent for a new entry. Since the item segment type doesn't have any children, the LOV will exclude these records. Open the source code, part 6, and copy, sqlquery.txt file. And paste it. Currently, the report page, 19, contains an interactive report region to display all segments in a matrix report. In this part, you will change this appearance to display all the segments in a tree view, as performed in the video. First, delete the existing application segments region from page 19 and then add a new region to this page using the attributes as demonstrated here. Open the source code, part 6. Copy SQL query from treequery.txt file. And paste it. Click the Attributes tab and set the following properties. Right-click the new application segment's tree region and select Create button from the context menu. Set the attributes for this button, as performed. This button will be used to create a new application segment. Create another button named Refresh, set the attributes performed. This button is added to refresh the segment's tree. Create 2 validations on page 20 to prevent the deletion of used segments. For PLSQL code, open the source code, part 6, and copy the PLSQL code from checksegment.txt file. And paste it. For child segment code, open the source code, part 6, and copy code from checkchildsegment.txt file. And paste it. After clicking the Create button on the Application Segments form page, you will get a message indicating that your action was processed successfully, but you'll notice that the values still exist on the form. To create uninterrupted records in a blank form, create a branch under the After Processing node and follow the video to set branch attributes. One more thing that you must do in order to stay on page 20 is to remove the Create button value from the request specified in the Close dialog process. In the Processing tab, click the Close dialog process. Scroll down to the Condition section in the Properties editor, and remove the Create entry from the value list. By default, the modal page is closed when Create, Save, or Delete buttons are clicked. By removing the Create entry, the dialog page will be closed only when the Save, labeled Apply Changes, or Delete buttons are clicked. This way you will stay on page 20 to create additional segment records. Everything is set. Now it is the time to test your work. Save your work and run the Application Segments module from the Setup menu. Click the Create button, and follow the video, enter records one after the other, in the segments form. The first entry in the video will create the application root, therefore, no parent is assigned to it. You can find the complete list in the application_segments.xlsx file in the source code, part 6 folder. Open it up and add all application segments manually one by one to complete this topic. Note that it is not necessary to follow the defined sequence while creating new segments. You can add an entry to any level, anytime. The important thing is to select the correct parent under which to place the new entry. In this video, you created a hierarchy of your application segments that will be used to control application access in the next video. Thank you for watching the video.